Hey guys, it's me Rahul. Welcome to Project 101, in which I'm hoping to create a catalog of videos clearing all your basic tech doubts. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to wrap text in Google Sheets. When you're working with large sets of numbers or text blocks in Google Sheets, it can be very difficult because by default, text aligns to the left of the cell and it also sets to overflow into the next cell, which means you will not be able to read everything in each cell without clicking on it. It's annoying. That's why you need to know how to wrap text in Google Sheets. So first select the cells that you want to wrap the text within and click on Format option. Now go to Wrapping and select Wrap. That's it. Now let's take a look at how to wrap text in Google Sheets on your mobile phone. First select the cells that you want to wrap text within. If you don't know how to select multiple cells, don't worry, just touch a cell once to select it and drag the resize handle on the row or the column to select multiple cells. After that, tap on this Format button, then select the Cell tab, then turn on the Wrap Text toggle. Here you can see that there is only one option, which is to turn the text wrapping on or off. But if you are using a desktop, you will be able to select the overflow option or the clip option as well. So that's it. Goodbye.